Hey, this is Ricardo with Kolter, and this is your Art House construction update. In our last video, we were just wrapping up on the final deep auger cast piles. Since then, we've been very busy. We've chipped about 90% of them, formed and poured a majority of our pile caps, excavated thousands of cubic yards of soil, and now we're working on this. I'm standing in the excavated and formed area of what will be our mat slab. Over 3,000 yards of concrete. This is going to be the principal structural element of our beautiful tower, providing insane views of both the bay and this beautiful city. I can't wait to show you more. Here I am standing next to one of our newly poured concrete columns. We've had significant progress over the last couple of weeks, and in our next video update, we're going to give a real detailed view of what it's like to see this giant mat slab pour. Art House, inspired living in the heart of downtown St. Petersburg.